The ocean is Earth's largest reservoir of water. These saline water bodies surround the continents. Nearly 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans, which is why our planet appears blue like a blue marble from space. The continents divide the vast water reservoir into Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. 5 oceans. These 5 oceans are essentially expansions of the same water group. Seas, or oceans, are parts of these oceans. Seas are bodies of water connected to the coastal regions of the continents. For example, the water of the Indian Ocean, which meets the western coast of India, is called the Arabian Sea. Oceans play a significant role in determining Earth's weather and climate. When the sun shines on the ocean, millions of liters of water vaporize, forming clouds. This water eventually falls back to Earth as rain or snow. Rivers and streams then carry the water back to the ocean, creating the water cycle. The ocean harbors a vast reservoir of marine life and vegetation. They have a significant impact on Earth's environment. The world's oldest, youngest, smallest, and largest creatures live in the ocean. On one hand there is the blue whale, the world's largest creature, and on the other hand, there are microorganisms like plankton. When tiny marine plants produce food during photosynthesis, they release oxygen. It was due to this oxygen that the first life on our planet emerged. Today these plants produce half of the Earth's oxygen. Ocean resources. Salt is an essential component of our bodies. Even our tears are salty. Can you imagine food without salt? Approximately 3% of common salt is found in seawater. Did you know that if all the salt from the oceans were extracted and spread across the Earth, it would create a layer about 152 meters thick? In ancient times, Roman soldiers were paid in salt. And in Tibet 700 years ago, people used bags of salt as currency. Do you know that Mahatma Gandhi made salt a symbol of resistance? When the British government imposed a tax on salt, Gandhi protested by marching to Dandi in Gujarat. This became a golden chapter in India's fight for independence. Petroleum. 1/5 of the world's petroleum comes from wells beneath the ocean floor. India's largest oil field is in the Arabian Sea. Petroleum is a vital source of energy and fuel in modern times. The first life on Earth came from the ocean, such as fish, whales, shrimp, and other marine organisms. They are the primary source of nutritious food. Rivers provide us water for drinking and food. This water irrigates fields. River boats are essential for transportation. In Delhi, the Yamuna River flows, but its dark, foul-smelling water is slowly killing all the creatures that have been living in it for a long time. This is because many toxic substances from our homes and factories are discharged into the river. Soaps from homes, chemical cleaning agents, polluted water from factories, and sewage contaminate rivers. Many pesticides and chemicals are used in our fields. When it rains, these toxic pesticides mix into the rivers. Eventually, when these rivers meet the ocean, even the oceans become polluted. Countries that produce oil send it to other countries on tankers. When a tanker accident occurs, the oil spreads over the water surface, polluting the ocean. Due to this oil, seabirds' feathers become sticky and they can't fly. Fish and other marine life suffocate due to oil. Ocean and continent pollution also affects those who stay away from it. You might wonder how? The answer to this question is that a significant portion of the oil from the ocean evaporates into the air, drying up in the clouds. This oily part enters the clouds and spreads far and wide. When it rains, pollution spreads. Do you know that pollution from burning oil wells in Western Asian countries reached the Himalayas? Some interesting and astonishing facts. The deepest part of the Earth is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, which is more than 11 kilometers deep. The massive blue whale feeds on small krill. Krill, only 6 centimeters long, lives in huge swarms called shoals. These shoals can be up to 5 meters deep. A blue whale can eat up to 4,000 kilograms of krill in a day. The large white shark has large jaws, with sharp triangular teeth like saw blades. Each tooth is more than 7 centimeters long. To escape predators, starfish shed some of their limbs. All starfish grow new limbs. Natural wonders of the continents. South America. The longest mountain range, the Andes, is in this continent. The Amazon basin has the world's largest continuous forest. Here, you can find a unique animal, the armadillo. Europe. The world's deepest cave is in France. It is home to the reindeer.